Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Unique Sajia another vlog. আজকে মনে হচ্ছে আমি প্রিপেয়ার করেই বসছি। আজকে হচ্ছে আনবক্সিং করব। Unboxing, welcome to another unboxing video. So today this box is I received from Huda Beauty, and let's see what's in there. So I just came from my friend's house. I had a lunch, and this is my dress. Today I wear a chiffon. This is like a fulkari dress. It's from the Shishat, of course, from my own shop. And okay. Okay, what did I order today? It's so difficult to open everything. Okay, so here's the box. Let's see what I got. This time I ordered a little bit different thing, but almost same that I ordered for my last vlog. I got a purse. This is my so waited purse that I wanted a Huda Beauty collection in my purse collection, and this is free basically. It's come with the set, and I am very excited. So this is basically my set. And today, by the way, I wear Huda Beauty makeup. I love their makeup during this seasonal change, like fall and between spring and summertime. Like, it's just the weather change, and I love to wear that. So this is what I got, and the reason I bought is because of Easy Bake makeup spray. And look at this. So this is the reason I bought this whole package. I already have primer, which I'm wearing right now, and it's the best primer I used so far. Normally all the primer I used before is very like thick, and it doesn't give you any, like, I feel like I use little of Easy Bake primer, and it just cover my whole face. So I love like this Easy Blur primer, and I'm going to go this one later. Okay, so don't get me wrong, I am super obsessed with their Easy Bake baking powder, setting powder, or baking powder, what they call, like baking and setting powder, loose baking and setting powder. I'm obsessed with them right now. The one Ube collection, as you know, last time I bought their Ube collection, and I love like wearing little bit, like, can you see my makeup? I'm going to okay, look at my makeup. It's so flawless. Like, I wear glass, that's why I have glasses mark. Like, look at this. Like, but my makeup is so flawless. Like, it's because of the Easy Bake. So this one I got cupcake, because during summertime my skin has extra pigmentation and I don't want to get use the Ube collection. The Ube collection, like birthday collection, I only use for winter. It's best. It's just all awesome use. So I just I'm going to use cupcake collection. So this one I'm going to use it. I also got their foundation. I don't know how it's going to be. It's going to be very dark for me. It's going to be Moroccan. I seen that some of the 230 neutral. I like all the neutral color. My skin reacts well when I use neutral color. When I use any kind of like dark or lighter, it doesn't like suit me. So I always use neutral color for my foundation. So I this is my third bottle that I bought so far in last 6 months, and I'm using Huda Beauty like every day, sometimes for my work purpose. Like if I have a big meeting, I do wear makeups and I do use that. So I am really excited that I got, and I also get small setting spray, and this is what I bought and this is what I received free. So I Alhamdulillah, I received Easy Bake setting spray, and I don't know, like I'm excited for it. It says that before use it, shake it well. It's very lightweight. It's not glass, so it's very lightweight, easy to carry with you, and it does not have in the head, it does not have any extra cap, so you just have to do this and it's open. And wait, okay, wait. Okay, how much time I have to press? So it's everywhere. It says shake well. So I am shaking well, but I don't know. Okay, what is wrong with them? I don't know what happened. Okay, no. See, I'm pressing, but still not. Did I do any wrong or what? What is happening here? So I got this small, I'm not going to open it. I'm going to take it with me for my upcoming trip, and I'm going to take it to upcoming trip. So I don't know what's happened with the bigger, but I like the inside color, like pink. The packaging is always like, it's attracting to me when in terms of buying anything, but why it's not? Oh, okay, now it's okay. So after I spray anything, I just tap something like my anything, my foundation brush or my foundation puff. I just puff little bit with it, so it's stuck with my my makeup. And look at this. Okay. So it did work finally. So the packaging, Huda Beauty, like it's very, very cute. The color wise attractive, like, so I'm excited for this. I've been using Charlotte Tilbury after almost a year now, so I am excited to use this. I always use setting spray. My skin is so dry, it's easily like flaky with everything. So this is Huda, what it says, Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty. And I am so this is free. It comes with the set. If you order the set, you might get it. This is so cute. This is like a makeup bag. Huge. It's like huge bag. It's huge and cute. Oh my god. It has the logo Huda Beauty, you can see it, but it didn't, you know, empower the name on the back. So it's so cute, like it's so cute. So basically I order the set because it has lots of pocket, and recently I bought a shopping bag like this from Shein, but a little bigger, and I like it. So, and this is my second time I have this kind of bag. I'm kind of like Michael Kors person. I like Michael Kors, all the bags, like I have all the collection, and I'm visiting my outlet mall to get my new collection also. But this is my first ever Huda Beauty. Can you see it? So this is it. So let me know how do you like my videos, and keep thumbs up and like my video, share with everyone. Oh, I bought this new finger ring from Amazon. It's infinity ring, and that's all for today. Let me know how do you like and what do you want to hear from me. I like to talk and I like to share. Okay, till then, assalamu alaikum, bye.